Hello students. Once again, welcome to Prime Maths by Anwar Hussain Sheikh sir. Today the class will be very interesting because I have already uploaded chapter 1 real numbers. As some of the students they are going to write their final exams, grade 10, any boards, either CBSE or any state boards, Sheva, MBOS, any boards. They request me to upload some sample question papers. It means the probable question papers coming year so that they can prepare well. So in spite of that, I want to upload today chapter 2, but I skipped that one. At first I want to update some videos like probable questions for coming years. Around 20 or 25 sample paper you will be getting. So from there I hope you will be benefited. So let's start first sample question paper. Sample question paper 1 for 2025. As you see, it is called MCQs. We have 20 questions. Let's start with that questions. First question you see, if x square plus y square equal to 25, comma, xy equal to 12, then x is equal to these are the options. So, without solving like these questions, you will get answer. For example, you see, here x and y are the variables. X also we have square, y also we have square. So if you don't solve also, you will be having answer. For example, if power is 2, x will be having 2 answer. Similarly, y also will be having 2 answer. Now look at the options. Here x, y, here x, y, x, y. Only this option have 2 answer. That's why for question number 1, without solving, you will take number C. Another here you see 1 value. So for question number 1, just by looking the power of the variable, this is the correct option. Now come to number 2. If the squares of different of the quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus 45 is equal to 144, then the value of p is which one? So this one let me solve little bit. You see, as you know, 2 zeros, if I consider alpha and beta is equal to minus b by a, minus b will be here p, and a will be here along with x square, it is 1. So it become minus p. Similarly, if alpha into beta I write, will be getting c by a is 45 by 1 equal to 45. So this is from the questions, and the conditions is the difference of the quadratic polynomial is equal to 144. So second option like this, alpha square minus beta, this one here like this, alpha square beta square, difference of the squares of difference here will be
स्टॉप करूँगी.
So as you see, squares of difference of the quadratic polynomial. So it will be like this, alpha minus beta square is equal to 144. Now this one, if I write here alpha minus beta square root will be like this, equal to 12. This is plus and minus. So in this way, alpha minus beta become 12 and alpha plus beta become p. In that way, if you calculate by using these 3 equations, since we didn't have place here, you will getting the solution, that will be the answer D. You see, here we don't have enough space, otherwise you can solve. If we solve step by step, alpha minus beta equal to this one, alpha plus beta equal to this one. So from these 2 equations, you will get the solution. This is the solution of number 2. Okay, see now question number 3. In this way, ABC is equilateral, mean all sides are equal. Similarly, BDE, this also equilateral. Here BE, ED and BD equal, and here AB, BC and AC are equal. Now the question is the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and BDE. So here if we see simply, ABC is the bigger triangle, BD is the smaller triangle. In that way, if you see, answer will be either B or D. So let's see which one is answer. Area triangle ABC by area triangle BD equal to, area is what for equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 side square. Here also root 3 by 4 side square. Now root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 cancel. Here side is BD, and here side is also for ABC, so side is BC, and for BDE side is BD, like this. Now BD is half of BC because they have mentioned here. D is midpoint of BC. So in place of BD you will write half of BC. BC by, in place of BD you will write half of BC. So BC will be cancelled here. Square will be remain for 2. It means 4 will go up. 4 is to 1. Answer is B. So this is the short calculation I have done. We calculate nicely area of equilateral triangle by area of equilateral triangle. Formula is root 3 by 4 side square. Here also root 3 by 4 side square. For this one side will be BC, and for this one side will be BD. Other side if we take, we will not get answer because it should be cancelled. Look the next one now. In the adjoining figure, TP and TQ, look this figure. TP and TQ are two tangents to a circle with center O. O is the center. If POQ, this one is 110, what is PTQ? This angle we have to find. You see, simple way, we have two theorem in circle chapter. This angle is 90, this also is 90. So in 4 angle, it will be 360. So 180 has gone. From here and here will be 180. So from 180 minus 110, this one will be 70. Now next, see, a set of numbers consists of 3 4s, 5 5s, 6 6, 8 8s and 7 10s. Then the mode of this set of the number is, you see, which number repeat maximum time? This one 3 times, this is 5 times, this is 6 times, this is 8 times, and this is 7 times. 8 is the maximum number. Number also 8, repeating time also 8. So answer will be 8, as mode is the maximum frequency. In that way. Okay. See now here, ABC is an equilateral triangle with each side of length 2p. You see this? This is the triangle. AB also 2p, AC also 2p, BC also 2p. Since this is perpendicular, so this will be half, this will be half. Now we need to calculate AD. To calculate AD by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADP, this is 90, this is hypotenuse. So it will be like this. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. You see here one thing you have to remember. BC is 2p, so this is P, this is P. P plus P, 2p. Remember that. So here AB is 2p and BD will come this side minus, BD is P, AD is the question to calculate. Now here is 4p square minus p square equal to AD. Now here 3p square root this side equal to AD. Now p will come outside. Answer is root 3 p equal to AD. So this answer will be B. Okay, see now next question. The quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 3 root 2 equal to 0 has two distinct real roots, two equal real roots, no real roots, more than 2 real roots. So for this one, if you see here a equal to 1, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 3 root 2. Now as you know, d equal to b square minus 4ac. Now what is b here? minus 4, 4a, c is 3.
Sir.
Okay, see now, the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 3 root 2 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 3 root 2. It means a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 3 root 2. Now as you know, d equal to b square 4ac. If I calculate here, b is minus 4, 4a is 1, c is 3 root 2. Now if I calculate here, 16 plus 4, 3, 12 root 2. You see here, root is there. Whatever answer we get here, no minus sign. If no minus sign, no need to worry about, no need to calculate. If plus sign and positive number here, two distinct real roots. This is the answer. No need to worry about. If we get minus answer here, whatever, then no real roots. That's all. And more than two roots is not possible because highest power is 2 here. It must be two roots, but sometimes two distinct real roots, sometimes two equal real roots, Remember that. Next question. From an external point P, tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. If CD to a circle at a point E and PA equal to 14 cm, the perimeter of triangle PCD is. Okay, now you see this question. For this question, this is the figure. P is an external point. We draw two tangents PA and PB, and then CD is another tangent touch in E. Now we have to find the perimeter of triangle PCD like this. You see that you know the theorem since course is already completed for you. You know the theorem CA equal to CE and DE equal to DB. This is the condition. What is that sentence? Tangents drawn from an external points are equal. So this is external point in this way. After that, you see the calculation. In triangle PCD, perimeter means sum of all sides. PC plus CD plus DP. Now you see PC is here. CD equal to CE plus ED. In CD, CE plus ED. This one CE plus ED. After that, CE is replaced by CA and ED is replaced by DB. Now look nicely, this last line, second last line, PC plus CA equal to PA, up to here is 14. Similarly, PD plus BD, this also 14, because PA 14 means PB also 14 tangents. So that answer will be 28. Okay, now you see this question. Cos to the power 4 a minus sin to the power 4a. Look here, cos to the power 4 and sin to the power 4. For power 4, we don't have formula. To make this splitting terms, we have to make it 2. Here 4 means cos square and square. Sin 4 means square and square. Now a square minus b square. As you know the formula from class 8. A square minus b square means a minus b, a plus b. You can add this one in front also, no problem. Now cos square minus sin square, as you have already known, cos square plus sin square is 1. So 1 if we multiply, this same term will remain. After this, cos square, sin square means 1 minus cos square again. We split this identity. So here cos square minus 1 minus minus plus cos square. So cos square plus cos square is 2 cos square minus 1 is the answer. So this one answer is number D. So next question you see, an observer, 1.5 meter tall is 20.5 meter away from a tower 22 meter high. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the eye of the observer is which one? So you see here, this one is like this. A tall person standing here and looking from, this is the eye place, eye position, and there is the height of the tower. From here the person are looking like this, so you have to join here. And this tall person is how much? 1.5, and the area is 20.5, and total height is 22 meter. So we have to join here. This one 20.5 meter, this also 20.5. So total is 22 meter. To get this part, we have to minus this part. This is 1.5. So we minus, will get this part. How? 22 minus 1.5. So here we answer 5. Then here 1 minus 1, 0, 2. So this one is also 20.5 meter, this part. And this is 1.5 meter. Now this angle we have to find. You see, from here till here we have to consider. In triangle, this one if you keep name A, B, C, perpendicular and base connected with tan theta. So tan theta equal to, this angle is theta. It is, suppose here P, here B, here C, here A. It will be BC by AB. Now here BC will be 20.5. Here also 20.5. Cancel is 1. Here tan theta is coming. Tan theta is coming. Then tan theta equal to tan 45. Theta equal to 45. Very simply, this is the answer. Next question, see. Which of the following relationship is the correct? Question mark. You see, PE plus PE naught equal to 1. Here PE naught minus PE equal to 1. Here P naught equal to 1 plus PE naught. Number D, none of this. As we learned the probability, we have two formula. One is yes plus no equal to 1. So this is the yes and no. This is called yes, this is called no. So simply this is option A. But you have to be confident and careful while you choose these options. Next, the pair of equations A equal to X and Y, X equal to A and Y equal to B, graphically lines which condition satisfied here? Parallel, intersecting at B, comma A, coincident, number D, intersecting at A, comma B. So like this question, you see here in the graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So if you think this one x equal to A, it means it will go, suppose something here, A value is plus. So line will be in this way. And if we look the next equation, y equal to B, y equal to B means x0, y will be here, something here, plus. So we draw like this. This will be the intersecting point. So if you want to reach here, from here you have to go this side, that is A, go up, B. This is the answer. This is very important questions. So answer D is the correct one. Okay, see this question. A tree casts a shadow 15 meter long on the level of ground when the angle of elevation of sun is 45 degree. The height of a tree is. You see here, they mean shadow here. Shadow is this one. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. Then this is the height of the tree. Like this will be the angle. It is 45. Now this is the question to calculate. So we calculate this one. P by B, 10 45 equal to P by B. P is question mark, B is 15. So this one, P is not given, B is 15. We calculate 15 into 1, 15 equal to P. So very simply, this one will be option D. So you see question, next question. From a solid circular cylinder with height 10 cm and radius of the base 6 cm, a right circular cone of the same height and same base is removed, then the volume of remaining solid is. This problem based on mensuration. We have a cylinder, height of the cylinder and radius is given. Then from here, this part is cut out. Radius becomes same, height also same. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now as you see here, radius and height same. Height is 10 and radius is 6. If we apply here, pi is common here, this pi, radius is 6, height is 10, minus pi is common, 1 by 3, radius is 6, height is 10. If we calculate this one, you see the next line, pi is remaining here, 36 into 10, 360, here 1 by 3 into 6 into 6 into 10. So 3 cancel 1, 6, 2 remain there. It means pi 360 minus here 2 into 6, 12 into 10 is 120. So if you minus here, pi is there, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. So 240 pi will be the answer for this one. This one is the calculation, main solution. It may be 2 mark, 3 mark question also. So remember that. You see the next question. If the circumference of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi, then its area is half, double, triple, quadruplet. It means, you see here what increase? Increase of circumference from 4 pi to 8 pi. How much increase here? Double increase. You see here, first one is 4 pi, increases to what? 8 pi. So how much increase? 2 into 4 pi equal to 8 pi. So 2 increase, double increase simply. No need to calculate. This is next question. After that, look next one. If median is 137 and mean is 137.05, comma, then the value of mode is. We have a formula for mode and median and mean. Formula is like this: mode m0 equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So if you apply here 3, median is given here. You see here median. Here median is 137. 137 minus 2. This one you multiply and calculate. 137.05. 137.05. You will calculate. The answer will come this one. This is the calculation part. Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Calculate in this way, you will get answer simply. This is the next question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at its center. The length of the chord is. You see, chord of the circle of radius. It means this one like this. This is the circle. Here is the center. Radius is 10. Here also is 10. This angle form is 90 degree. Now the chord of this one will be how much? This is also Pythagoras theorem. This is the hypotenuse because this is 90. So this hypotenuse equal to p square plus b square. 10 square plus 10 square. Both are same because radius. So h equal to square root 2 10 square. Then 10 square come out. 2 remain inside. So answer is for this one is C. After that, next question, see, if a number x is chosen at random from the numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, then the probability that x square less than 2 is. This is also important question. It means, look, -2 is given equal to 4, -1 is given equal to 1, 0 is given equal to 0, 1 is given equal to 1, 2 is given equal to 2. The condition is here, the condition is x square less than 2. So the x square answer should be less than 2. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the probability out of how many number? 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 3 by 5. Okay, see this very important questions. Like this question will be every time two types. One is 19, one is 20. One is assertion. The value of sin theta equal to 4 by 3 is not possible. This is the question. Just you think, is it possible or not? Because sine we know, sine equal to p by h. In right angle triangle, this is p, this is h. H must be more than p. Here given 4 by 3. It means p is big, h is small. That's not possible. So A is correct. Number reason, you see, hypotenuse is the largest side in any right angle triangle. This also correct. So both correct. Which option you see? Both assertion A and reason R are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. So for number 19, option A is the correct answer. For 19, option A is the answer. Next question, number 20, assertion an minus 1 is not independent of n, then the given sequence is n AP. And reason is common difference d equal to an minus 1 is constant or independent of n. Here you see one thing, here assertion this is not independent is not correct because n may be any value is independent. So here they are not independent, so A is false. Why is false written? This one is true, both option is not correct. B, you see, this also true, this also not correct. It will come either C or D. Here in C they have given A is true, so in that case since this is not correct, so this number D, you see, assertion A is false but reason R is true. So for number 20, D option is the correct. Number 19 A option, number 20 D option. Both question patterns are same. So this is the first sample question papers. So you will be always getting the next sample question paper, next part 2, part 3. I mean around 20 sample paper you will be getting. So I hope you will be liking, following and subscribing my channel so that you will get latest updates and latest MCQ question papers. Thank you.